All right, I want to give you a 1-year update of this in-wall cable management system and also some placement tips, because had I known what I know now about this thing, I probably would have placed it slightly different. So in terms of like the actual product, it works great. Like, it was super easy to install, and you can watch my original video in terms of how to install it and that kind of thing. But yeah, you're just going to put it, place it where you want between two studs, of course, and then place the other one down near an outlet. Let's see if we can see it down there. Yeah, there it is down there. And you just kind of thread place the wires down through that cavity, out through that other hole, and then plug it into your outlet. So you do need it kind of close to another outlet. So you'd have quite a bit of line there to reach between the two, but yeah, you don't want it too far away. Make sure it's close enough. So that's the first placement tip. Make sure it's close enough to another outlet. The second thing I wish I would have known before is that you really want to think through exactly where you want this before you place it. So I put it close to this wall mount for my TV, but I wish I would have put it on the other side of it, because I thought originally that I was going to have the TV wall mounted and on this side of it. But I realized that after I had done that, it was just way too close to my door over there, and from the bed, it was further from the bed. So I wish I would have realized that the wall mount would have been placed the other way, that way over there. And if I would have realized that, then I would have placed this whole thing on the other side so that it would have been hidden just a little bit more, because right now, from the position of my bed where I usually watch TV, I can't see it at all. But if I were to turn and walk this way, that's definitely visible. So I wish I would have just hidden it a little bit further behind the TV. That's my placement tip. Just think real clearly about where you want it placed so that it's hidden, the maximum hidden, whenever you actually get everything set up. So I do like it though. It's working great. Haven't had any problems with it. Always powers on the TV. It's just a good way to hide your cords and place this kind of thing for behind a TV or whatever you want to hide, wherever you want to hide it behind. So anyway, I do recommend it. It's a good product. Just keep these placement tips in mind.